Hello, are you Alex?
Yes, I am. You must be Emma?
Yes, that's me. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Please, have a seat.
Thank you.
How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm doing well. I'm a little nervous.
Me too. This is my first date in a long time.
Really? That's funny. I'm nervous too.
Don't worry. You seem very friendly.
Thank you. That's kind of you.
So, tell me about yourself.
Well, I'm 25 years old. I work as a graphic designer. What about you?
I'm 27 years old. I'm a software developer.
That's interesting. Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I do. I like solving problems and creating new things.
That sounds exciting.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books, watching movies, and traveling.
Nice. I love traveling too.
What's your favorite place you visited?
I really liked Spain. The food was amazing.
I've never been there, but I would love to visit someday.
I'm sure you would enjoy it.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies and comedies.
Me too. I love movies that make me laugh.
That's great. We already have something in common.
Yes, we do.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.
Good. Otherwise, this coffee shop would be a strange place for a date.
You're right.
I'm glad you're laughing.
You're funny.
Thank you. I'll take that as a compliment.
It definitely is.
What are your goals for the future?
I'd like to travel more and start my own business one day.
That's impressive.
What about you?
I'd like to build my own technology company.
That sounds ambitious.
Maybe, but I enjoy big challenges.
I think that's a good quality.
Thank you.
I'm really enjoying this conversation.
Me too. I'm glad we met.
Me too.
Would you like to meet again sometime?
Yes, I'd like that.
Great. I'm looking forward to it.
Me too.
It was wonderful meeting you.
It was wonderful meeting you too.
Have a great day.
You too. See you soon.
See you soon.